Hello. In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up libraries or websites for your classes. How you decide to do that is up to you. Administration has said that they will leave the format up to teachers' own personal discretion. So the first step is to hover over Gradebook and then go down to this third option, Class Website LMS Pages. So now we're looking at a class website. This is one that my wife created for her English 1 class. To be able to edit these or create these, you need to turn editing on. So the first thing you're going to do is come up here to the right side of your screen and click editing off, and that's going to turn editing on. Now, if you look at my wife's libraries here, she's got 5 of them here because she's got 5 different subjects that she teaches. So for her, it made sense to create 5 individual libraries. Let's say you teach, 3 different periods of the same class. You may only need to create 1 library for that grade subject, and that is one of the things that administration has said they will leave up to teachers. I'm going to show you how to do both of those things right now. So we have our editing on, and we're going to add a new library. And let's just say she had a class called Practice, or she taught a course called Practice. So my new library, I'm going to name it Practice. Now I'll go to Add Library, and you should see that Practice shows up. On these little buttons, you can click and change the pictures. We'll go over how to add panels in another video later. But from here, this is where you have decisions that you'll need to make. If you teach multiple periods of the same subject and course, you could just create a book for each class or period. How to do that would be add book name, and maybe it's Practice Period 1. Add the book. Or for instance, maybe you have an honors class or just a general ed class, period 1, and then maybe period 2 is an inclusion class. If that's the case, you might have different assignments for those classes, and you'll be able to differentiate between those on the pages. So now that you have period 1, if you click on it, and you can follow these kind of breadcrumbs up top here, you see I'm in Practice, period 1 default page. If I wanted to add a page, maybe it would be daily Zoom lessons, maybe it would be a course syllabus, anything like that. You just go to here and you add page. You'd give the page a name. So again, if it's the syllabus, if it's your Zoom meetings, whatever you want to use those for, you can. Again, it is your decision whether or not you create multiple libraries for each one of your periods, or if you just make libraries based upon the subject or content matter that you're teaching. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.